Welcome back to the Integrated Leader Podcast. I am Lauren Marie, and this is the final episode in our 5-part series designed for my clients who have taken the DISC and Driving Forces assessment. All week, we've been unpacking how to actually use your report, not just read it. And if you've been listening along but haven't taken the assessment yet, this is a great time to jump in. Just email me at laurenmarie@kutskoconsulting.com. Mention the podcast and I'll send you a custom mini report or reflection tool to help you start your own journey. So this week we've looked at your value, your fuel, your support system, and the internal tension points in your wiring. Now it's time to ask, what is one sustainable shift I'm ready to make? Not 5 goals, not a reinvention, just one thing, one small change rooted in deep self-awareness. Let me give you an example from my own practice. After seeing intentional and intellectual as 2 of my top motivators, I realized that I was filling my calendar with helpful meetings that didn't have a clear why for me to be there. So I made a small change. I started asking, what's the purpose of this meeting for me before saying yes? That shift created more clarity, better conversations, and more energy. And it wasn't huge, but it was sustainable. So grab your journal or note app and walk through this reflection. What stood out to me most this week? Where do I keep running into friction, fatigue, or confusion? And what's one belief, boundary, or behavior I could shift by just 5%? This goal isn't to overhaul your personality. It's to become 5% more aligned with how you're built, how you work, and what you care about. Growth sticks when it's based on rhythm, not willpower. If you're not sure what shift to start with, here's a prompt you can use if you're into AI and ChatGPT. Here are some themes from my DISC and Driving Forces report. Based on this, what's one sustainable leadership habit I can implement this week that supports alignment and reduces friction? And the bonus, once you identify that habit, ask AI to write a 1-sentence daily reminder you can keep on a sticky note, screensaver, or planner. That tiny nudge builds new grooves. So if we do a recap of this week's journey, on day 1, we've clarified your value and learned to claim it out loud. On day 2, we mapped your fuel and began to notice what energizes and drains you. On day 3, we defined your support system and gave yourself permission to ask for what you need. On day 4, we spotted your inner tensions and started listening to it instead of hiding from it. And day 5 here, we're choosing one sustainable shift because insight without integration doesn't grow anything. If you want help making that shift real in your daily leadership, I'd love to support you. You can email me at laurenmarie@kutskoconsulting.com. Mention this podcast and I'll share what working together could look like. I hope this series helped you feel seen, equipped, and reconnected to your unique rhythm of leadership. Let's keep going. You were made to lead like you, not like anyone else. I'll see you soon.